Hey guys, you are welcome at WP Code Studio, and in this lesson 4th, I'm Rubil Islam Rocky here with you again. Today I'll show you how to install theme manually. In our previous lesson we did forget to show you manually theme installations process. So right now we will see this, how does it work. But this lesson was supposed to be theme customization related, but because of our mistake we will do it in our next lesson, so don't worry about it, just keep watching our channel. Start the work. Let me say something about our channel purpose, that is, after watching our videos how you benefited, let us know your opinion through the comment section, and if you still did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. So just it for the time being, and we may start now. Manual theme installation process are truly easier. So at first we have to log into our hosting panel, then we will upload the theme zip file direct to our file manager. So let's do it. So guys, right after logging to the hosting panel, we have to find out the option. Its name is file manager. Okay, then here it is. So inside of this file manager we have to upload the zip file. So let's click on it and let's see how does it working. Before uploading any themes or plugin, you should make sure that under what domain you have installed your WordPress. For example, you have installed your WordPress under your main domain, so for the reason we have to visit inside of this public HTML folder. So simply click on it, and again you will get this WP content folder. Then just again click on it and choose the theme option. And here inside of that theme option, already 2 themes are installed. Right now we will upload a new theme and we will install that. So for that we have to we have to click on this upload folder option. Just click on it, and from here we have to select the zip file from our device or computer, whatever you can say. Just for that, just click on this select file and choose the file from your device and open it. Now it's uploading and it has been already completed. Right now we should get back to our main page, and here it is, here under inside of this folder what we need to do right now. After uploading a zip file, obviously we need to extract that file. Without extracting, we can't activate this theme on our admin panel. So just click on this and extract the zip file. After extracting any themes or plugin, obviously don't forget to reload your page for once time. Now we can see here this file already has been extracted. Right now we should get back to our admin panel, and then we have to activate this theme. So guys, before I activate this theme, we have to I need to show you one more thing, that is, if you have installed your WordPress under your subdomain, then what you do. So let me show you that. Just get back to our main page. For example, you have installed your WordPress under your subdomain. This is your subdomain. So just click on this, and inside of that domain you will get same folder. Just click on this again, WP content option, and then theme option, and here inside of this, just upload this file from here, and from here click the zip file and upload it, and again get back to the main page. Then just extract this zip file. Okay, it has been done. So after upload and extract the zip file, we have to be activate this theme. So for that we need to be get back to our admin panel. Inside of our WordPress admin panel, we have to be visit in our theme options. Just hover on this appearance and then you can watch this theme option. Just click on it, and here we can see that theme. Just need to be activate this theme by one click. Okay, then they are asked to start installing this theme and plugins. So for that, click on this start button, and now we have to be installed child theme, or we can be skip this one. So skip this. So if you want, you can be installed this child theme. I think I don't need it. Now it's time to install all of those necessary plugins who are related with this theme. Further, if we don't install any plugins, then we can't import demo content as well. But thereafter, some of theme give us that opportunity to import demo content, but thereafter that demo will not appearance or visible properly. So we must need to be installed all of those necessary plugins who are related with this theme. So now we can install it. Right after completed all of those themes plugin installations, we can be import our demo content. So before that, let's check it what are available under this option. Obviously we should be check mark all of this option because it's all are required. So now click on this import option. The great thing is that our demo content completely imported. Right now we can check our website how it's look like. Let's check it out how it's look like by click on this view your website. Now we are in our website, but unfortunately we can't see any of product feature or background slider images because I don't know why it's happening, but I think it's good for us by happening this thing because we can be learn something more. So guys, don't worry about these issues because in our next lesson I will show you how to fix this issue, and also we will give a professional look on this website and we will prepare this website for customer and users. So for the time being, take care of yourself. Bye bye.